Police brutality is officers abusing their power or using excessive force to mentally or physically harm someone. There is a lot of police brutality. Recently, one on January 1st, 2009, the murder of Oscar Grant III, when a bar police officer held him down saying, "Bitch ass N-word," while the other pulled out his gun and shot and killed him. Excessive force takes place all over the world, in your neighborhood, cities, basically everywhere. I think police brutality happens because officers tend to get bored doing their job. Also, I think in their minds they can get away with it, with what they're doing, and they usually always do. Police officers abuse their power while trying to arrest suspects. Excessive force tends to happen to a lot of people in the ghetto community. People that look like they did something but really are innocent. The use of excessive force has a huge negative effect on people in our communities. People that see police brutality will lose trust towards officers that patrol their area. It is important to know about police brutality because as I speak right now, it's probably happening. I have no clue how we can't remove this type of abuse. Thank you.
What do you say about police brutality?
Great. Traffic. Hey, what do you put on the sirens?
Sure.
Oh, fun, huh?
I know.
Dude, it's so bored. There's no type of action around here.
Hey, just hear that kid that just came out of the
Alright. Hey, you!
Hey, what'd I do?
Shut up.
Sorry.
Hey, that's my cousin. What the hell that ain't legal?
No, you didn't. What's it to you?
Hey, if you related to me, I'm putting you in
What the
custody.
fuck?
Stop resisting.
I ain't resisting.
Resist, I'm gonna take both of you for
Stop resisting before we book his ass. Hey, I ain't resisting.
Put him in.
What the fuck did you do? I ain't do nothing. Man, the motherfucker took my wallet. They took my lunch. What you gonna do when you drop a bitch? Oh, fuck. Can't.
That was fun. You're a kid, you're trying to get smart.
I know, he's a big fat fellow. He can't do anything.
Alright, come out.
Alright, you kids can go.
Can I get my wallet then?
No.
Oh, that's
What about my lunch? What the fuck is happening now? But maybe this guy hung by the boy. Man, this shit police brutality shit gotta stop, you know? Message.